That completes the tumors. Let's finish with our high-yield final review, starting with the arteriosclerosis family. Always remember the core concept we started with. Endothelial injury is the spark that lights the fire of atherosclerosis. Atheroma is plaque buildup. Onion skin is caused by malignant hypertension, and pipe stem refers to Monckeberg's medial calcific sclerosis. Next in our review is the structural failures, aneurysms versus dissections. The core morphological difference is simple. Aneurysms balloon the media, conversely dissections tear the intima, creating a false channel. And for our last review slide, we have the vasculitis cheat sheet. To memorize this, you must do two things. Memorize your vessel sizes, large, medium and small, and memorize your ANCA associations. And here is Dr. P's pro tip. Vasculitis is smoldering inflammation. Master these two rules to unlock the entire category. As we conclude this massive chapter, remember, mastering pathology is mastering medicine. Blood vessels are the dynamic highways of life. If you master this chapter, you don't just know pathology, you know internal medicine, surgery, and pharmacology. Keep reading, keep revising, and keep smiling. Dr. P signing out. I've created a high-yield PDF cheat sheet of all these tables and flowcharts. The link is in the description. Good luck studying.